Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best dual action car polisher. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, SPTA. The body is made of imported plastic, which allows the operator to use it more smoothly, while reducing the sense of vibration. Practical design, low noise and low vibration. Adjustable speed from 1 to 6 gears, according to the speed selection of different working conditions. Differentiated polishing is more efficient. Prevent the polishing wax from splashing during startup. There is a comparison chart of the speed of each gear on the fuselage, so that the operator can understand it immediately. The overall speed is from 2000 revolutions per minute to 5500 revolutions per minute. Real-time adjustment and output of powerful power, always maintaining a constant speed. There is a square raised fixed switch on the side of the fuselage, which can be fixed in the open position, allowing the operator to operate more smoothly without being restricted by the switch. Optimize the air circulation system to prevent dust from entering. The heat dissipation effect is good, and the power is protected from burnout. According to the frequency of use, it is necessary to clean the air inlet and outlet regularly, which helps to improve the service life of the machine. Number 4. Brand name, PosePro. PosePro 12-volt cordless dual-action polisher. Work from 2000 mAh 12-volt Li-ion battery or 12-volt car vehicle power outlet cigarette lighter. Multiple power supplies make work quicker and convenience. On a much smaller casing size, a 9mm orbit pattern provides better correction capabilities than some of other random orbital machines with an 8mm throw, while still providing great balance and ease of use with smaller 4-inch pads. PosePro cordless car polisher can remove swirls, scratches and defects from your paint. It is a standard-sized paint correction tool that has been specially designed to be economical and provide detailing freedom. Alternate use of dual power systems make the job much more smoothly. 220-volt socket to work with such a polisher can be anywhere. In appearance done quite well. For this money is a great thing. How long will the time show? While very satisfied with the purchase. And who writes that vibration is a marriage, so it must be. Unbalanced rotation for the most recent polishing result is not noisy, but everything is fine. Super easy to use. Number 3. Brand name, Batoka. 6-speed variable control dial allows you to adjust the speed of the car polisher according to different applications. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 1000 to 3800. Operational performance management. Ideal for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble floors. Low speed waxing and polishing. Medium speed to polish and clean, while high speed to remove paint defects and oxidation. Professional design team is dedicated to creating something new and different car polisher. Unlike the regular polisher, a green chameleon surrounds the body of our Batoka DA polisher. It is unprecedentedly cool and helps to make your car cool and shiny. Comfortable front grip, body sense. Curved handle is not easy to fatigue. More accurate operation. Number 2. Brand name, PosePro. PosePro 900-watt dual-action polisher with 900-watt motor is designed for high-effective polishing. provide all the speed needed to gently or firmly treat surfaces and maintains an even revolutions per minute's rate, even when applying a little pressure. 6 variable speed settings provide all the speed needed to gently or firmly treat surfaces and maintains an even revolutions per minute's rate, even when applying a little pressure. Thumb adjustable speed dial, wide 600 to 4000 revolutions per minute speed range allows for faster compound and superior final polishing. Auxiliary handle improves comfort and control for optimal user preference. Billet counterweight with multi-bearing design ensures smooth, precision balance with increased durability. Design of 8mm eccentricity, grinding is more efficient and the polishing surface temperature is low, suitable for sensitive coatings. Additional auxiliary handles for polishing and waxing at different angles for an exceptionally efficient experience, comfortable and easy to use. Ergonomic design and safety lock-off button, keep your work safe. Number 1. Brand name, Batoka. The shell is made of high-impact ABS. The interior has a powerful motor, which is made of all copper with anti-interference. This cordless polisher weighs only 2.9 pounds. Easy to transport and save. 5mm DA random orbit ensures a uniform, beginner-friendly finish on all painted surfaces. Come with 2 batteries of 2.0 Ah and a fast charger. Battery with large capacity and small volume. Adjustable speed for 1 to 6 levels, fully adjustable 2500 to 5000 operational performance management, perfect for waxes, sealers and enamels.